Theologian, here's how Pope's teaching is being used to reject Humanae Vitae. If you insist upon the commandments, it's like throwing stones at people. Famed Catholic author Janet Smith, speaking to a group gathered at the Catholic University of America in Washington, D.C. on April 5th, warned of a new challenges to the Church's teaching against contraception that will arise in coming years, centered around the concepts of conscience and discernment. In particular, theologians who Smith identifies as discerners will focus not on the authority of conscience as it is traditionally understood, but on a very different understanding of what the conscience is. That is what we very much have to catch. In a general sense, the interpreters, the discerners of Amoris Laetitia, say that the development in moral theology in Amoris Laetitia is pastoral, not doctrinal, said Smith. This is key because it frees them to say, we're not changing doctrine at all, we're just changing how we apply doctrine. We're not even applying doctrine, we're just helping consciences discern. Humanae Vitae won't be rejected head-on because they found a way to do an end run around it based on passages in Amoris Laetitia. In essence, the discerners are saying, so we don't need to refute the arguments that defend Humanae Vitae because we're not looking for a doctrinal change. We don't have to question the authority of doctrine because it's not a doctrinal matter that we're pushing here. We're pushing a pastoral approach to these issues. In other words, substantiative matters are now irrelevant because they read Amoris Laetitia in light of a psychological view of conscience while putting aside the traditional view of conscience. Their view rejects natural known moral norms. Smith cited passages of Amoris Laetitia that provide the basis for this new understanding of conscience. And the article continues, and that's what she does, and she makes some very good points. So I would suggest, if you have the time to go and read the article. And the link's here, and it'll be also in the description box.